Hi guys, sorry, driving
Hey,
right now.
hey, Lily.
Rosa is gonna help me with this too, but she we're working for this wholesaling deal, and someone is already in the house. Do you guys will recommend to do eviction before we get the deal, or we should get the tenant just to get that deal and we deal with the tenant later on?
Rosa, do you want to elaborate a little bit? It's hard to hear because of the.
Yeah, so we're marketing to off-market leads, and this one, he inherited the property. There's currently a tenant in there that doesn't have a lease, has not been paying. So he's been working with an attorney for a number of months, and he said once the guy gets out of the house, then he's looking to sell. And so I was kind of wondering if
Are you going to
there's
wholesale it or keep it?
it depends on the numbers. I mean, and I kind of want to look through this neighborhood too, because it's East Austin, which can be kind of hit or miss. But it could potentially be a rental depending on the numbers.
So,
What's the name of the neighborhood?
It's
Well, just so that I mean, it's in the East Austin, right? So,
yeah, it's off of Franklin Road. It's kind of over by, is it
careful,
like
Rosa. Diego's going to steal
Eddie's
your
or
deal.
something? I know, don't steal it, Diego.
He
no.
might. He's a real. You know how they are.
I don't know what it's by Franklin Park.
Okay, cool.
That's all he needs
Anyway,
to know,
continue.
Rosa.
Sorry.
So I guess just is there a certain discount that you guys would take to, I don't know,
Yeah.
buy a home and evict the tenant?
Well, it kind of doesn't matter anymore. Like Glenn Santos says, Diego just got it under contract, so move on. No,
I'll fight you for it, Diego.
she's gonna go beat you up. If you're gonna wholesale it, you could put it under contract and wholesale it with a tenant in there, and then the end buyer can take care of it. If you are going to keep it, then I would see if you can do what we call cash for keys. So maybe just go talk to the person there and say, "Hey, I'm really interested in buying this property. If you how much money would it take to get you out of here? I'll pay for your movers," and go to a website called movinghelp.com, and they're really cheap hourly rate movers. Rent a U-Haul and get them out. I've seen as far as people paying someone else's first month's rent to move out and say, "Hey, I'm going to spend $5,000 to get you evicted in 60 days, or I can give you $2,500 if you just leave now," right? Just obviously depending on your number.